Hello dear subscribers and new friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. Add 450 grams or 1 pound ground beef to a preheated skillet over medium-high. Season lightly with salt and pepper. On busy weekdays or when I don't want to spend much time in the kitchen, this is the recipe I reach for. Quick, with simple ingredients, hardly any cleanup, and a dish that's always a hit at the table. Break it apart and stir occasionally, until it's browned and fully cooked. This takes about 8 minutes. As the beef cooks, start the sauce. Add 360 milliliters or 1.5 cups beef broth to a measuring cup with a spout. Chicken broth, 1 cup or 240 milliliters. Light cream or half and half, a half cup or 120 milliliters. Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon. Season with a half teaspoon of onion powder. Garlic powder. Dried oregano. Dried basil. And dried parsley. Mustard powder. And an 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix well and set it aside for later. Ground beef has browned beautifully. Remove from the pan and set it aside. If you're using fatty meat, drain off the excess grease. Melt 3 tablespoons butter in the same skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons flour and cook stirring for 2 minutes. Until the raw smell cooks off and it begins to turn toasty brown. Let me know where you're watching from by leaving your city or country in the comments. Seeing people from all over the world enjoying my recipes fills my heart with so much joy. Reduce heat to medium-low and add the sauce mixture in small splashes, stirring continuously. Doing this slowly ensures that the roux doesn't break and that the sauce has a uniform consistency. A huge thank you to all the new subscribers, it really means a lot. If you're new here, consider subscribing to follow along with more easy, comforting meals. Beef bouillon, a half cube. It gives it extra depth of flavor. But it's totally optional. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt if omitting. Frozen or fresh corn, a half cup. Corn balances the flavors with a gentle sweetness and some extra texture. Bring the sauce to a gentle boil, then reduce to a simmer. Let it simmer uncovered while you boil the pasta. Add salt to boiling water. Macaroni, 225 grams, that's a half pound or 8 ounces. If measuring by cups, it's about 1.5 cups. Cook the pasta until it's al dente, that means it's tender but still has a little chew and a bit of a bite. Set a timer to avoid overcooking. Drain the pasta and set aside. Mild cheddar cheese, 200 grams, 7 ounces or 2 cups. Reduce the heat to low, then gradually stir in about 2/3 of the cheese. Keep the rest aside for topping later. Stir continuously until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Keep in mind, the pasta will continue to soak up the sauce as it sits. If you have leftovers, just add a splash of broth or milk when reheating to bring it back to that creamy texture. Mix in the cooked beef so it blends perfectly with the sauce. I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a like and shared it with someone who loves cozy meals. That keeps me inspired to bring more recipes to you. Add in the pasta and gently stir everything together until well combined. You can also stir in veggies like peas, bell peppers, or even a handful of spinach. They add a nice pop of color, a little extra texture, and of course, some extra nutrition too. Top it off with the rest of the cheese for that extra cheesy finish. Cover with a lid and cook a few more minutes, just until the cheese melts. And that's it, a simple, cozy meal the whole family will love. Every bite is truly a burst of flavor. May this meal fill your kitchen with comfort and your hearts with joy. And if craving more pasta dishes, click over to my pasta recipes playlist. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.